Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm gonna prepare salmon with coconut milk. See, I have my coconut milk here and I have all my ingredients ready for me. Okay, I have all my pepper, I chop my pepper, onion, scallion and thyme. And in this container I have garlic. And this container I have rosemary. Okay, so this is my lemon and this is my fish already washed, and I wash it with vinegar. That's why color look like a little palish, because you know when you wash fish with vinegar it change the color. But anyhow, I'm going to combine all my season together here. I have a Jamaica season here, garlic powder, onion powder, Mr. Dash, and black pepper, and a little paprika and salt, a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm gonna combine everything together with a little, not half. Okay, you know you can't put a lot when you're frying it. I'm gonna fry it and then the coconut milk. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little on the top here and over here, and I'm gonna turn it over. I like to cook it with the skin. Some people, if you want, you can take off the skin, but I love the skin. Okay, so when it's cooking down, it have the remain of my season. Okay, I'm gonna make this sit for like 10 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, my salmon, let's sit for 10 minutes and I am back. I'm putting some coconut oil in my pot on the fire. Okay, on this side first. Oh, nice. Turn it over first. Get these done. Okay, very good. Very nice. Okay, this is the other side. Alright, I think it's done. On this side. No. Okay, I'm gonna put my these first in my pot. Okay. With my garlic. There. Okay, I'm gonna put some of my seasoning in my pot. I didn't put everything on the salmon, okay? And I'm gonna throw my milk, my coconut milk. Okay. And also my parsley. I'm gonna put it in the pot to cook down. Good. I'm just gonna squeeze a little lemon in my pot. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have this come to a boil And when it comes down like it coming down to oil, I don't want it to overcook my salmon, so I will drop it in the pot. Okay, stay tuned. Nicely, you see how nicely. So I'm just gonna put my salmon in because I didn't want them to overcook. You know, when salmon overcook them now, it's not nice. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes. Okay. Wow, this is done. Look at it. Really look nice. Okay guys, I am done and I'm looking so good. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. I'm dying to eat. All I can tell you, just try this at home. Very nice, very, very nice. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comments down below and tell a friend. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.